Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a low-carb frittata that's perfect for breakfast or brunch. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, a cup of spinach, a bell pepper, a small onion, a handful of cherry tomatoes, and half cup of grated cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste.
So the first thing we want to do is roughly chop our onion and also mince our garlic nice and finely. Then we prepare whatever vegetables we're choosing to throw in our frittata. I've chosen this medley of tomatoes, which adds like a really nice rainbow color, and I just slice that in half, really rough. But you just prepare the vegetables however you want them to look in the frittata. Then with our pan on medium-high heat and a little bit of oil if desired, we will cook our onion for about 3 minutes until golden brown. Then add our veggies, thyme, and a little pinch of salt and pepper. Stir that really frequently and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes until the veggies are tender, depending on whatever veggies you've used. For example, tomatoes will cook a lot quicker than carrots. So just use your judgment here, but it's a recipe that you can't really muck up. Then spread the veggies evenly in the pan and add the cheese if you're using it and sprinkle it evenly all over the vegetables, making sure to reserve 2 tablespoons of it for the topping. And then finally we can pour in the egg whites evenly over the top and then finish off with an extra sprinkle of cheese. The day before you want to eat it, just thaw it overnight and then bake at 175 degrees to warm for about 15 minutes. It makes the perfect weekday lunch or quick weeknight dinner or for weekends as well. It just keeps so well and is perfect for any day that you need a little high protein snack or meal. For the cheese as well, you can also use a blend of different cheeses. I've obviously used the low-fat version here to keep it as healthy and macro-friendly as possible. But goat's cheese, feta, Gouda would be amazing if you aren't watching your calories too much, and you can increase it to about 3/4 to about 1 full cup. 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese as well would be amazing. This is of course a really low calorie and low carb meal, so do feel free to add some extra salad or vegetables on the side and any carbs of choice such as rice or some bread, whatever you like to make it a balanced meal and to fit your diet.
Your low-carb frittata is ready. Look at that, it's a work of art. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like